Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use mask effect in CapCut. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Using the mask effect in CapCut on Android allows you to create interesting and creative visual effects for your videos. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use the mask effect. Firstly, open the CapCut app on your Android device. Tap on your project and choose the video or photo you want to edit. Then select the media from your gallery and tap the Add. Tap on the clip you want to apply the mask effect to, which will highlight it. At the bottom toolbar, scroll to find and tap on Mask. You will see different mask shapes such as circle, rectangle, heart, etc. Choose the shape you want to use. You can also adjust the size and position of the mask on your video by pinching and dragging the shape. You can also rotate the mask by using two fingers to twist the shape. Now let's go to Adjust. There is a feather option to soften the edges of the mask. Adjust the feathering to your liking to make the transition smoother. If you want to invert the mask effect, there's usually an option to do so. This will make the effect apply outside the shape instead of inside. Once satisfied with the mask adjustment, tap on the check mark to apply the mask effect. Then, you can preview your video to ensure the mask effect looks as desired. Then when you're satisfied with your edit, tap on the export button at the top right corner to save the video. And that's all for now folks. Thanks for watching.